I hear you.
What was y'all finna ask?
Oh, we were gonna ask basically, who's the coming on?
Who's are y'all sitting on? But let go, bro.
Alright, see right there, I'm gonna tell you.
My nigga, I just started, bro.
Oh shit, my bad. You gonna put this in the video?
What's good, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. As y'all can see, I got right here a person that don't post.
Man, what's good with that?
Nah.
It's your boy C's, aka C's Louise. You know what I'm saying? And I'm back with another. I'm back in another video. I said I'm back in another.
Y'all go subscribe to the channel, but look, what we finna do today is we finna hit the monkey out. And the first, look. Hey,
you trying to get the bust down? You trying to get the bust down on the monkey out?
Hey, look. What we gonna do is, look. First we gonna warm them up. You feel what I'm saying? Then I wanna see if they can dance with you. Bro, how should I say this, bro?
Hey, what's that song that came out in 6th grade? I'm gonna hit the club and dance like a stripper.
No.
Wait, I gotta start the music. Dun 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 dun. That's to the circle. Hey, dun dun dun.
I'm finna go on the monkey app and I'm finna ask girls who look better between me and him. You feel what I'm saying? I feel like I'm gonna get the most. You feel what I'm saying?
This nigga tell me what you look. This nigga tell me
nigga,
a whole nother video.
Bro, you gotta. I'm gonna ask them that. Then I'm gonna ask them the you feel what I'm saying? Now look, we on the road to 1 million, you feel what I'm saying? I ain't hit 1K yet, but we striving for greatness. We striving for that 1 million. So basically like and subscribe. Give me the 1K first.
Fuck the road to 1K. Nigga trying to get 1
Hey bro, we on the road to 1 million, bro. Forget all that. But look, you feel what I'm saying? I'm finna screen record on my phone, you know, rapping.
Hey, flex the new phone. Flex the new phone.
I'm flexing, yeah.
My ex flex on the hoe.
Go on the monkey app, so I'm finna screen record. Hopefully the audio work, my nigga. You screen recording right now. Oh, why they showing niggas?
Did you change it to only girls?
What?
Bro, it's always been only girls.
Well, it seems like some dudes. They ain't nothing but dudes. Niggas trying to talk to dudes. But it's on dudes mode, bro.
Bro, it's not on dudes mode.
Go right here. No, yeah, right there.
Oh, that boy a monkey app expert.
Might have found me a couple of buzz downs on there a couple of times. You never know. Hey,
That bitch was 13. Oh, her name shit. Oh, her name foreign. Stupid.
Let you shut up.
Hey, what's up? Ask some time real quick.
Hi.
Oh. Alright, so look, we making a YouTube video right now, right? So we YouTubers, right? Nigga already. Alright, so the question is, between me and him, who look better? You feel what I'm saying? Like, you get that right now? But you only get a glimpse of me, you feel? Rate this nigga.
Okay, where the other person at?
What you mean? Oh. What blue?
Right, what kind of boat brand blue?
The dark blue.
Ooh.
Oh. Ask him one time real quick. Hold up. Ask him a second question.
Alright, so
since y'all think he look the best, give my boy a little present.
We can't hear you. We can see your mouth moving, but we can't hear you.
if I turn on some twerk music, will you shake that? You heard that? Yeah!
We on to the next thought, you feel what I'm saying?
No, that was funny. That was funny.
They wasn't talking about nothing, you feel what I'm saying?
She said something. I said, oh, you gonna shake the She said something.
Ass?
Talking about something. We hear your lips moving, but we don't. What? How do you hear lips?
Oh, bird?
Hey, yo.
Yo, what's up?
Hey, ask some Tom. I gotta ask you something.
No, they both added that bit.
Yo, so out of me and my boy right here with the hat, out of me and my
tell you up in the room.
So, who do you think look better, me or him? Put your face in the camera.
Nah, I'm good.
You? Yeah, you.
It's the cut. It's the cut.
Is it because I got the fresh cut?
No, but your house is a little that way.
You said we what?
His hat is like that way.
Oh, damn, boy, you ugly as hell, boy. You blacker than the thing behind you, boy. I'm on your ass, boy. Big teeth ass, boy. Silver teeth ass. Candy in there, right teeth ass. Big forehead ass. Big eyebrows. Small nose ass. Big ear.
even get a chance to say nothing. Like you just sitting there like, damn, I can't even say nothing, bro.
It's because I don't got the cut. Ooh, I don't got the cut, bro. That's why he winning, bro.
Oh, Bridgeport. Answer that. I got some people over there. Hey, y'all stay in Bridgeport, Connecticut?
Hello.
Bro, they not 19, bro.
Can you break us?
No, can you rate us? Y'all doing a YouTube video?
Okay.
Y'all doing a YouTube video? Bro, y'all breaking up. Where y'all live in the forest, money? You said what?
So, okay. You, right there. The light in the blue shirt. Yeah, the one blue shirt.
The navy blue or the light blue?
The dark blue shirt.
Okay, yeah.
That's you. Right there. You. Alright. You. Alright, I do like a stick. Okay? I give him. Hey, put your hand down, too. Put your hand down.
Bro, you is ugly as shit, my boy.
Hell no.
Okay, 2-6 for you. Now the other guy.
I just gotta ask, are you above the age of 16?
What?
Bro, we need to get somebody to shake that ass. You feel what I'm saying? I'm not playing.
No, she said.
Y'all know from Charlotte.
I think a 6. Bitch, you're not even subpar 4.
The bitch said, why is your hat sideways? Oh, Diamond from Australia. What's up, mate?
Swear.
Hey, ask some time real quick.
Top mine.
They built like that in Australia?
Ask some time. All right, I got a question right quick. Listen, look. Out of me and my boy, who would you rather go home with?
It's such an uncomfortable situation. Like, you know I'm not happy.
You got a bad bitch. Hey, make sure I like, comment, subscribe, you feel what I'm saying? Oh, what's good? Ask some time real quick. I gotta ask you a question. Alright, so look, check this out. Me and my boy right here, you feel what I'm saying? We making a YouTube video, right? So between me and him, nigga, they trying to make a light skin face and shit. Alright. Between me and alright. Who would you take home between me and my boy right here, you feel what I'm saying?
Put your face in the screen, like, she has to
In
compare.
the blue.
You said what?
Hat or no hat?
In the blue.
The hat or no hat?
The blue.
Okay.
We're
No
both.
hat.
She said no hat. Put the count on the screen.
Bro, it's the hat, bro. It's the hat.
Is it the hat? Like, give me.
Yeah, it's the hat.
Take out the hat. Take out the hat.
The hat.
Okay, now look.
Whoa. You feel what I'm saying? I can't even do it to myself. Actually, the next question.
Damn, he took out the hat and I still.
My man just got a cut, bro. He capping. Wait, ask him one
You
time.
can barely even see the cut on camera.
Bro, stop playing with me, bro. Ask the next question, bro.
All right, my next question is, so basically,
But ask her, bro. She don't got all day.
so basically, right? So you said I look the best, right?
Mhm.
So I was just trying to like find out, like, is you
Bro, stop being shy.
Alright, bro. Dead ass. I'm dead ass. Like, is you trying to twerk for us? Long Beach. Yo.
But nah, you feel what I'm saying? Make sure I like, comment, subscribe. You want to see more videos like that? Drop it down. Ask some time right quick.
Yo.
We got a real official question. You said what?
You said hi.
I said ask some time right quick. I ain't mean it like that.
So, we have a question.
What?
How old are y'all?
I said, how old are y'all? What you thought I said? What's funny?
How old are you? We're 18.
Alright,
18?
Alright, so what y'all finna say?
What?
What was y'all finna ask?
Oh, we were gonna ask basically who's the Patreon.
Who's y'all sitting on?
Mhm.
Oh, woo, ask some time right quick.
Well, that fits perfectly
Follow
what
me.
we were about to ask.
Right.
I see where we going, you know what I'm saying?
Look.
So-
Alright, so check this out. Go ahead, ask.
Like, out of me and him, who you think look better? Like, who would you want more? Like,
You is sexy as.
Relax.
Oh my god, let me.
Hey, answer the second question. Hey, let me put a hot right into the second question. All
so,
right,
they say,
Hey, look.
So, hey, what's your name? What's your names? I'm trying to have a competition in between all three of y'all, like, who can twerk the best?
Oh, okay, bye.
Oh, okay, bad. That's that Canada love.
Like we trying to see like right now. Let's see what y'all got going on.
You want to see?
Yeah, let's see what you got going on.
Okay, well, we can only throw a box if you guys are gonna, I think, PayPal us $2.
Oh, look at her. She ready. What's up? That's some time real quick. I said, ask some time real quick.
I can't hear you.
I said, ask. Yeah. Matter of fact, friend me. Hey, glad.
I can't.
Hey, what kind of service you got?
Wait to find a way time.
She ready, bro. Hey, look, listen.
This my friend.
You said what?
No.
Pause the music. We gotta ask you something.
Right, we gotta ask you something.
Hold on. I can't hear you.
She ready?
Alright, so listen. Rate me and my boy on a scale of 1 to 10.
Well, your friend's cute. She's like a 9.
Oh.
Hey! I might well not even go. Hey, lad. Alright. I ain't even gonna do me. So listen, you got the music playing already, you know what I'm saying? So ask her, bro.
Well, nah, just ask her.
I'm scared. Hey, listen, you got the music playing already, you feel what I'm saying? I'm making a YouTube video right now, you feel what I'm saying? So you wanna shout yourself out?
I want to what?
I'm making a YouTube video right now, you wanna shout yourself out?
What is that?
Do you want a shout out
Like,
on YouTube?
like you wanna shout your Instagram out?
Can y'all just like for me?
Yeah, just say it.
I don't want to tell you, so never mind.
You gonna get hella followers, but anyway.
Alright, anyways, this is my last question. Since we making a YouTube video right now, you already in a dancing mood, you feel what I'm saying? Well, you go ahead and just twerk for me right quick, you feel what I'm saying?
I have a man.
Bro, he not gonna see this.
He might, you never know.
Nah, just give
To keep it fair. You did say I was cute.
Alright, you already ready, Hill.
So you already at the point of no return. You might as well just, go ahead. I mean,
Like 10 solid seconds.
mission failed. We'll get them next time. Put that
Hey, look, bro, we really don't want them to bro. We just want to see their reaction to what we saying.
That's why you can't wear your heart on your sleeve.
Alright, what's up? Add some time right quick. Bro.
This nigga.
Hey, bro, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. If y'all want to see a part 2, you know what I'm saying, comment. Get it to 60 likes. Y'all need to like the video. Y'all don't like the video. Y'all just watch it, you know what I'm saying? Like the video, my man. Subscribe to my boy channel. Get us to 1 million subscribers.
Yeah, I'm that Bay Holmes.
Bruh, Shay the baddest. Get the fuck out of here. Ooh, you fine. What's your name? Ask some time right quick. You bad as hell, shawty.
Hold up. I'm gonna have her text it to you right now. Alright, hold up. Go to the.
Ask some time right quick. Ooh, she just made it. Matter of fact, friend me. Hey,
What's up?
what's up? What's up with y'all?
Oh, wow.
Does he know this? I know. He is sexy. The one back there, he got crazy.
I was just playing. But what's up with y'all? Where y'all live? Where y'all stay at?
Where y'all stay at?
Did you friend me? You didn't friend me back. Alright, bet. Alright, we stay in Atlanta. Where y'all stay at? This nigga trying to make sexy face and shit.
This is my normal face.
Alright, so look. Alright, so y'all said this man fine or whatever, you feel what I'm saying? My son. So what y'all rate him on a scale of 1 to 10?
A 10. A 10.5.
Oh, 100K special.
We on it?
Yeah.
Yes, my nigga.
Alright, so add me on Snapchat, Queen_Shay. My Instagram, Queen_Shay 60.
10 seconds. I'll need you to twerk for me right now. For 10 seconds.
Nigga, what?
What you mean, what?
We don't got no music, damn.
Bro, you do got some music.
Alright.
Hey, look.
The music, like.
My boy got music right here. Where your phone at? Hey, he got.
Mission failed. Who get him next time?
Hey, they said my boy's sexy, but y'all do have that. What's your Instagram? Laker Kid under 20. Laker Kid underscore 24. What's up? Ask some time right quick. I got a serious question to ask.
You gonna ask him, Tom?
Fuck.
Ain't got no AC in the house.
Alright, what's up?
Yo, what's good?
Hey, I asked you a question though.
Swear, I gotta
Ask
ask you a
him,
question.
Tom.
I gotta ask you a question too.
Okay.
I see.
Matter of fact, follow.
I see what we got going on.
Follow me.
We both got questions for you.
Okay, if you got to rate me, what's radio? 1 to 10.
1 through 10.
Wait, facts.
Shit, I don't know.
Shit on one. Hurry up.
It really. Hold, I get my charger.
Where is that?
Hold up.
Hold up, right quick. Quick intermission. Where y'all from? California?
Sure.
What you mean, sure? That's what they said. Ah, she hung up. Ah. Oh, hey, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. My camera finna die. Hurry up. Like, comment, subscribe. If you're new, like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. 60 likes for part 2, man. Turn the video up. Latest video. Go subscribe to my boy. The result. Oh, it's not even. Oh, no, but my camera finna die. So y'all make sure you like, comment. Hold up.
I think it's going to die.
My camera finna die. So make sure you like, comment. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. 60 likes for part 2.